Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chaugule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA 3 Compulsory English. Name of the paper F is English for Communication for the Semester 6. Let's know the Module 6 Topic A, Note making and note taking. We join the classes in schools and colleges with the utter truth of making notes. But there is a distinguish in notes with note taking and note making. Note taking is a process that is done at school, colleges, during lectures. Note making is a process that is done instantly after the note taking process. The importance of note making is to assimilate all information and make it able to read and understand during the exams. Schools and colleges follow the regular activity of taking notes from class and making it fair at home. Let us discuss the brief importance of making and taking note process. Taking notes is an important process for the exams. It provides you with a written record of the lecture that sometimes not written in your books. It also lets you become an active and involved listener and learner in the future. Taking notes is an important activity in class. It engages students in classes. Also, it prevents from gossiping in class. It provides a direct relationship between what happens in lectures and hints of what comes up in the exam. The importance of note-taking process is that it makes you understand easily and help in becoming an active listener. Note-taking concept very seriously in order to make students more responsible for education and exams. The note-taking process requires concentration and attention for what is being said and how it is being said in the classes. Follow the word of teachers and teachers' body language. The note-taking process also gives the various important hints around classes. Suppose a teacher repeats a phrase or idea. This is a signal that it is important and you should take note of it. It also provides you with the knowledge of introductory, concluding, and transition words and phrases. You might notice that sometimes your teacher seems excited about something. Then we'll point out that information as it likely to appear in the exam. Therefore, make a note of this as very important for the exam. Try to attend all lectures and classes for making the best notes for your exam. The perfect note-taking process will help you in creating better notes for yourself. This will definitely help you in every stage of understanding topics before exams. obviously perfect for last night's revision before the exam. It impacts an impression of you as an obedient and disciplined student, which may be your advantage at some point in the course. Therefore, before making notes, try to establish the topics of subjects that relates to your syllabus and exam. It is obvious very average student has its own strong and favorite subjects. Therefore, while making notes, focus on your weaker subjects more in comparison to stronger subjects. Like specialization of points, highlight an important topic, mention tricks and tips. Always note, never ever miss the last class or lecture of every subject. Put an extra effort into attending the last classes. It covers some vital information about the format of the exam that usually covered, and the teachers may also provide information about sections of the syllabus that need special attention before the exam. Therefore, put extra effort into making notes important. Once you are done with the note-taking process from the classes, the making process is yet not complete. It's time to input the note-making process. Every school or college follows the schedule of checking notes before taking classes. This is a very important activity for such school and colleges that make students active and responsible towards their classes. Note-taking has played an important role in human history. Ancient Greeks used the word hypomonema to describe what could be translated as a note or a reminder or a record. Before the development of digital devices, people uses marginalia and commonplace books to take notes. Of course, note-taking has been central to education. Students are often encouraged to take notes during lectures so they can record the knowledge being shared by their teachers, and as a result, many different note-taking systems have been devised over the years. They include outlining, guided notes, and corner notes. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.